Welcome to the world of intermittent fasting, a lifestyle choice that offers numerous benefits. In this presentation, we'll explore the advantages, potential risks, and how you can start safely on your fasting journey. Intermittent fasting is a unique eating pattern that focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. It's not a diet but a lifestyle that has been practiced throughout history and is now backed by scientific research. The popular 16:8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, making it accessible and manageable for most people. Intermittent fasting offers science-backed benefits, particularly for weight and metabolic health. By naturally restricting calories, it helps achieve sustainable weight loss, improves insulin sensitivity, and enhances blood sugar control. Additionally, it increases fat burning and boosts metabolic flexibility, making it a powerful tool for health improvement. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial, it's crucial to understand the potential risks. Common side effects during the adjustment period include hunger, irritability, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Certain individuals, such as pregnant or breastfeeding women, those under 18, or anyone with an eating disorder history, should avoid fasting. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any fasting regimen. Starting intermittent fasting gradually can help your body adapt and minimize uncomfortable side effects. Begin with a 12-hour fast in the first week, then extend to 14 hours in the second week. By the third week, you can reach the popular 16:8 method, allowing your body to become well adapted to this new eating pattern. During fasting periods, certain beverages are allowed, such as water, black coffee, and plain tea. These options help maintain the fasting state without adding calories. However, avoid any food or drinks with calories, including cream, sugar, and artificial sweeteners, to ensure the effectiveness of your fasting routine. When it's time to eat, focus on quality nutrition by choosing whole, unprocessed foods and ensuring adequate protein intake. Include healthy fats and plenty of vegetables in your meals. Remember, fasting is not an excuse to binge eat. Light exercise during fasting and listening to your body's signals can enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. As you begin your fasting journey, expect an adjustment period in the first week where initial hunger is normal. By weeks 2-4, your body stabilizes, and energy levels begin to rise. By month 2, you'll be fully adapted, and the benefits become more apparent. Start slowly, stay hydrated, and be patient with the adaptation process for success. Your health and well-being should always come first. Be aware of serious warning signs like persistent fatigue, severe mood changes, or dizziness. If you experience any concerning symptoms, stop fasting immediately and consult your doctor. Avoid common mistakes like starting too aggressively or forcing continuation when unwell. Remember these essentials: focus on when you eat, not what. The 16:8 method is ideal for beginners. Start gradually over 3 weeks. Fasting is not suitable for everyone, and always consult a healthcare provider first. Your action plan includes consulting your doctor, choosing your eating window, starting with 12-hour fasts, and staying hydrated and patient throughout the process.